So one way to do this, Sydney, I'm going to show you another way, okay? That might make it easy for you, okay? You ready? I go over 1, back -1, my height's 2. So it's, instead of going over -1, go -2. This point right here is at -2, right? Let's go and make it all the way to -4 and height of 2, okay? So this bar got twice as long. This point right here is at 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see it? Okay. This point here is at 2, so instead of 2, put it at 4. Okay. Twice as wide. Okay. Now, this one, C is going to be twice as tall. Twice as tall. Okay. So I'm going to get my graph out. Give me just a second. We'll finish this one up. Getting there. And let me do another graph. Twice as tall, so I'm just going to make sure I have plenty of room for it. Okay, so the x values don't change, but the y values are twice as tall. So I'm going to have this up here at 4. Twice as tall. Okay. We'll still have this one at a height of 0, because if you 0, 0, right? Height of 0 stays a height of 0, so a height of 0 here. This value is a height of 1, but really is a height of 2 now, okay? This has a height of 1, but we'll really have it as a height of 2. Okay? This has a height of 1, but we're really going to have it at a height of 2 because twice as tall. This is at -1, so I'll put it down to -2, okay? And this has a height of -2, so I'll go down to -4. How's that? Twice as tall. Almost done. Almost done. Number 10. You ready? Am I going too fast? Okay. Number 10. All right, on 10, hopefully you know it's a parabola. I mean, I'm really hoping by now we are in pre-calculus on number 10. So I'm just going to graph a parabola, but I'm only going to graph half of my parabola. I'm going to graph only the front half, but from 0 to 3, okay? So if I graph this parabola on number 10, I'm going to start down at -6. I'm going to go down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll do my 1, 1, my 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so forth and so on. But I'm only going to go to here and stop. Okay? Stop right there. That's all I'm going to do because I'm only going from 0 to 3. Okay? All right, there's my parabola. Y-intercept of -6. And I'm only going to go from 0 to 3, so that's it. Okay? Now, the inverse. So to do the inverse, let's just move points. Okay? So this is a point at 0, -6. So its inverse is at -6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Just flip-flopping points. This point is at 1, -5, so flip-flop it to -5, 1. Okay? This point is at 2, -2, so I flip-flop it to -2, 2. Okay, and then this last point is at 3, 3, so 3, 3 is easy. That's easy, just 3, 3, right? Here's my inverse graph. So I just flipped the points, so I did. Now, the equation. So to do the equation, we're going to do what we did on our warm-up. We'll just switch x and y's. We'll solve, right? So on 10, to solve the equation, I've got y equals x squared -6. Am I going too fast? Do I need to slow down for a second? Okay. I'm going to switch x and y, right? X equals y squared -6. I'm going to solve. +6 + 6. Y +6 equals y squared. Square root. Normally it would be plus or minus, but because we only have the top half, then that side half is just the positive square root, and that's my inverse, okay? And that's all I have, okay? So the time went a little bit over, so we won't get this last, unless I do two parts.